How to avoid FB jail. Hi guys, in the last video, we've gone through the reason why Facebook is one of the best places to market and promote your business. Also, we've seen a diagram of the different strategies to which we can promote our offers online. Though Facebook is undoubtedly the best place to brand ourselves and market our business, Facebook is also becoming stricter day by day. And there's a very important reason behind that. Facebook has been built predominantly as a social media platform. It was built for you to connect with your friends, families, colleagues, and for you to give status updates like photographs and stuff. At the same time, you could say that Facebook is also a very strong marketing platform. But what happens is, different marketers do a lot of activities which Facebook does not like. For example, spamming people, sending annoying messages, and whatnot. Now, Facebook is becoming very alert about all of these things, and they have put all the algorithms in place to watch these activities every time. So doing all these annoying activities, which Facebook does not like, things that are strictly no when it comes to Facebook's policies and procedures, will put your account under threat. First of all, Facebook will put you under something called the Facebook jail. And if you continue to do those things which Facebook already warned you about, they will also terminate your account forever. Facebook does give warnings and puts your account on hold for a period of 7 days to 30 days. And then, if you do not abide by the terms and conditions, they might seize your account forever. Now, as we always say, it's better to take precaution. If you know in advance the things to avoid to protect your Facebook account as a marketer, then you'd be more prepared and confident to execute your FB marketing plan of attack. In this particular section, we'll be discussing the things you should not do as a marketer. Because I want to make it very clear, once you abide by the rules of Facebook, once you do not do the things that many marketers ignore, do not know, or do, then you will be absolutely safe. First of all, you do not annoy your friends by spamming your links all over Facebook. Once you start spamming your links across Facebook, Facebook keeps a track of your account. And number 2, there are certain links which have already been banned in the past. One can get blocked in Facebook by sending too many messages. Once you send someone a friend request, and that person does not respond, and if you keep on sending message, or if you keep on sending some spam links to someone, that's a must not do in Facebook. And of course, once you have sent a friend request to a person, do not keep on doing it, as this is harassment in Facebook's policies and terms. Account can be blocked temporarily if you do all these things, and you will see that for some time, Facebook will tell you that you cannot send friend requests for 7 days, or something like that. And if you continue doing that, they can also permanently block you for sending too many friend requests. Be careful about this thing. Do not post in groups constantly. This is very important for marketers, especially in the network marketing niche. People have a tendency of joining different Facebook groups along Make Money, and they start spamming their links. Don't do that because your account is being tracked. Don't worry because I'll show you the proper way to do that. Just don't start spamming different groups. Don't buy fans. Once you've set up a Facebook fan page, never buy fake fans from Fiverr. This is a serious way to get your account blocked. When Facebook warns you about something, it's best to follow them, else you need to be ready to face the consequences. Especially as marketers, some have a tendency of breaking the rules. But as a Facebook marketer, if Facebook warns you about something, do check it out. And do abide by the rules and regulations. So there, we've tried to give you all the points in a nutshell, which you must not do inside Facebook, especially as a marketer. Do not do all these things which we have written down for you. Then, you can be rest assured that your Facebook account will never be blocked temporarily or permanently, and you don't have to go inside the Facebook jail. So do take note of these things. And in the next video, we're going to jump inside the real juicy stuff. We're going to see how Facebook graphs work and how you can start to get 5,000 targeted friends within 90 days. So, this course is going to be more exciting and exciting. Stay tuned and see you in the next module.